Morning, Instagram. Say hello, Enzo. Morning. We're just about to go for breakfast with my little man, with my little dude, aren't we, Enz? Yeah. Got the Maserati back from Project 3 this week. Got it back. Needed a few little running repairs. Just, you know, it's getting a little bit older now, so needs a few little things doing here and there. Doesn't it? I know. Yeah, needs a few little running things. So as they get older, obviously they need a few little tweaks here and there. So happy days. So hope you all have a great Sunday, people. Me and the boy Wonder are off to go get breakfast now. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, Instagram. Hope you all have a lovely Sunday. We are back, obviously bank holiday, you know, we're off Mondays anyway, so it doesn't really make massive difference to us at James Personal Tailor. We will be back in on Tuesday. I'll be answering emails and DMs over the weekend, so if you've got any tailoring queries or anything like that, drop me a line and I'll be happy to have a chat with you. Have a great Sunday, people. Yeah, of course. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Have a great Sunday. Say have a great Sunday.
Sunday.
So from me and the boy Wonder, have a great Sunday, have a great bank holiday, people, whatever you're up to. Take care, see ya, bye bye.